Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This room right here is a hot mess. And I am a little bit, I'm not going to lie, I haven't gotten ready for the day except for like pulling my hair back. But I need to not overhaul the whole thing, but this corner over here is kind of driving me crazy, and I spilled detergent into the basket. And so I just kind of need to take the whole thing apart and kind of do a new, I don't know what I'm going to do. I have to I've got some extra buckets and I don't know. But I need to fix it because it's there's too much going on here, and I need to clean and do laundry. So I'm just going to kind of do a laundry organization video, and if you like that, stick around. If you like any kind of cleaning or day in the life or family or anything like that, stick around by subscribing and clicking on the little notification bell, because that's what we have here in our channel. It's kind of Mod Podge of life here in our home. So stick around. I'm going to first fold the laundry here and in here. Got to move the laundry, and then I tell you, it's a crazy room right now. And then I will get to cleaning and organizing this and cleaning off the counter. So let's first do this laundry right here, and then we'll get started. Okay, so I thought I would take you on a little final tour. Nothing really changed up there, a little tripod thing. And I've got my, this is actually for sunglasses. They've all got them in the car or they're on right now. And then I've just got my OxiClean and then a refill soap and my iron. And then over here, if you haven't watched my other videos, I put all swimsuits in this bucket, and then these are just towels that they use either for the pool or for playing outside. Then I have separate towels for the beach. Then this is kind of mainly what I changed. I use these little candles to decorate my bathroom and like the shelves, but I change out the colors, so I kind of keep them on hand. And then other knickknacks that are always just kind of loose. Then this is all kind of cozy socks for the winter time for my kids. And then that one is all extra towels and aprons that I don't have room for in my kitchen. And then I kind of changed and I added my detergent to this bin and make it easier for me to pull it out and push it back in, as well as some extra cleaning soaps that I have stocked up. And then over here I have my mismatched sock bin. Let me see if you can see it better over here. The mismatched sock bin right here, and then the floor Swiffer wipes. And then that's my beach purse, and then my regular purse here. And then up here didn't change. These are my sock bins for each girl. This is my youngest, my 5-year-old. That's her bucket, and I just take that up to her room and put her stuff away. And then each of my girls actually have buckets that go on this shelf, and they have all taken up their laundry and put it away. And then I do color coordinated hangers. And there aren't very many hangers because I don't have laundry for them to do until Friday. So that's always a good sign when I don't see a whole lot of hangers there. So that's kind of an overview of the clean laundry room. I actually have one more load of whites to fold and then I'm all done. So that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching and take care. Hope you come back for more.